Hi everyone, today I have here an Sony Xperia Z, I guess this is the Z version, Sony Xperia C1505, and this phone have on the power switch and the lock switch, they are always blocking and trying to unblock. And if you turn it off, they turn back on by itself, and the problem is the power switch is in bad shape. So I have here another board. I have this board from the Galaxy Express or 4G, whatever you can see on my other videos. I have here these power buttons right there, this switch, and I go switch the switch from one board to another. So let's start disassemble this. I have here the watermark is red. This means this cell phone is already in contact with water. Otherwise this seal is white and it's red, you can see. Anyway, it's working, so no big deal. Wow, so much dirt. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So the main problem is this switch here. Is here that switch. Oh, there is the problem. The switch is desoldered. Look at that. It just fell out. Okay, we already see what is the problem. Now I need just to remove the board from here. Okay, I already get the board, the main board out, and this is the problem. The switch is just desoldered. And this is right there. It's right there anyway. So let's prepare the board for soldering. Okay, I go try, don't wiggle. Come on. Okay, you can see I lose an solder pad on that corner. Where are you? This stuff go too big here. Here I lost a solder pad, so this switch is... The other ones are cool, but this switch is trash, completely trash, because I can resolder. I need to use another one, and this one's, whoa, these ones are equals, I guess. Wow, the same size, the same everything. Great. And that's it. I go remove these switches and place right there. I go 290 from the hot air and the same on the iron. I use the iron to replace the solder, and I use the hot air to solder the new switch. So first step will be stuck some solder paste. I already removed the switch. The switch is right here. This one is in perfect condition, and for this I go place. Okay, this seems to be cool. Look like now is some kind of hot. It's not cooled, but it seems to be nice. It makes the clicking noise. This is really hot. So now I go assemble this, put all this together, and let's see if the switch works.